Oh, Patrick Ta, oh, how I love thee. He's one of Hollywood's incredible makeup artists. He's worked on the Hadid sisters, Kim Kardashian, Olivia Munn, Adriana Lima, naming a few. I love him so much. He has an incredible new box out. It's called #This is Major. I just talked about it on my stories. If you want to glow, you've got to check out those products. So while I was doing research for my spring tutorial, I came across this picture of a makeup he did on Adriana Lima, and it is so gorgeous. It's a glossy lid with a matte fuchsia lip. So I thought, hey, why don't we try it? So I put together a little tutorial for you guys. So we're gonna get right into it. So wish me luck. So the first product is a new product from Tatcha. I love their spray, but they have a new product called the Silk Canvas. This is all about pore perfection. You put it on your T-zone, any places that you want a primer to like basically fill in any imperfections that you have. Here's what it looks like. Take a little bit, on here, on here. Okay, so we're gonna take two foundations. We're gonna use Giorgio Armani, which is the Luminous Silk Foundation. We're gonna use a pump of this, and we're gonna use a pump of the Etherealist, which is a skin illuminating foundation from Kevyn Aucoin. So one pump and one pump. You guys got that? So I'm gonna take a brush that we just talked about. We just did an awesome tutorial with Nikki LaRose on what brushes to use. This is her favorite foundation brush. We like it because it's half real, half synthetic. It's very fluffy. It's MAC 188, and we're gonna mix it on my hand. Just gonna put it all over the lids. So next I'm gonna take a beauty blender. This is a new one and Nikki gave it to me. It's almost like velvet. It's so good. It's wet a little bit. I'm gonna damp it. I'm gonna take this again over my eyelids just to really get that kind of matte effect. Next we're gonna go with concealer, and this is macadamia. I'm just gonna do 3 dots. So I'm gonna take this one, which is Morphe E30 for my concealer. This is a great fluffy brush too. Okay, next I'm gonna use a little highlighter, and this one is Custard, just on my cheekbone, just right here. So I'm gonna blend this again with my damp beauty blender, just to kind of pop that cheekbone just a little bit. So next we're gonna powder. I'm gonna use a MAC 120. I'm gonna use a little bit of translucent powder. A little goes a long way. And I'm gonna do an under eye just a little bit with this brush, which we just talked about. And it's called Real Techniques, and this is an under eye concealer brush. It's kind of a little fluffy, it's a little smaller. So the next product, which is hot off the presses, this just came out, it's from Fenty Beauty. It's called Island Ting, and people are already obsessed. I'm actually gonna use this on just the crease of my eyelid. So gorgeous. Next I'm gonna do a little brow gel from Hourglass, and this one's called Warm Blonde. I've talked about it a lot. I'm just gonna go up. I have recently let my brows go a little bit thicker, which I'm loving this look, but it took a second. I'm just gonna fill in just a little bit with the NARS, which talk about Eye Perfector, and this one is California Warm Blonde. Just to fill in just a little bit. And it's weird, I use the brow gel first to try to see where I need to fill in. Some people do it the other way, in case you're wondering. Okay, this is probably what for this look to make it. It's from RMS Beauty, and it's called Magic luminizer. I have this, I use it in different places, but for this look, I'm gonna take this brush, which is MAC 217. I'm gonna split the difference, so it's not the tear duct, but it's not on the base of the eye, it's just kind of right in the middle, and I'm gonna pat it right there. So this is what's gonna give you that wet eyelid look. Oh God, that's so beautiful. I've had this product for a long time and I've never used it like this, and it's so gorgeous. Then I'm gonna go back again with my Fenty Beauty Island thing. I'm gonna go just a little bit over, just to define it a little bit. Love. So next I'm gonna do just a hint of eyeliner. I'm gonna take a winged Morphe brush and I'm gonna do the Bobbi Brown black ink. It's a goodie, an oldie but a goodie. Again, a little goes a long way. And I'm just gonna pop it on my lash line. And I'm not gonna wing it, just simply just a little bit of a dot on the lash line. I'm actually gonna do, while we're doing the eyes, I'm gonna do a little bit of this. This is NARS and it's called Climax. And a little goes a long way. We're not gonna do the bottom today because that's really not the look of Patrick Ta's inspiration. And I love this look because it's a simple eye and it's a bold lip and it's super easy to do. A little bit goes a long way, and then you got that bam, boom, great lip. I love what Patrick Ta did. He really matched his cheek, his blush to his fuchsia lip, which is really beautiful. He used Sweets for my Sweet from MAC. And normally I go all the way across and kind of do like more of a suntanny, golden, bronzy, pinky, but he just put it here, just on the apple, slanted deliberately. Isn't that pretty? Sweets for my Sweet, and this brush is awesome. It's from Morphe as well. It's so beautiful. Okay, next we're gonna do a little bit of the Hourglass. I know it's an oldie but a goodie. It's the ambient light one, and it's dim light, incandescent light, and radiant light, and it's their palette from Hourglass. So we're gonna use the Kabuki brush, and we're gonna use actually all the colors. And I'm just gonna do here, here, on top, and the bridge of my nose. So we're gonna take the same palette and we're gonna highlight the tear duct with the lightest color, which is here. Just the tear duct. Okay, so next we're gonna do the lip. So we're gonna start with this one all over. It's called the Super Stay Matte Ink. It's Maybelline and it's number 30 Romantic. This is the bomb. Okay, so it says that he used 683 Maybelline Matte on top of it, which is pink and chic. It's a little bit different color, so I'm gonna try it and see how it goes. Oh, he did it because it's like the reverse ombre a little bit. Gorge. How beautiful is that? So one last thing, I just got this box, so I'm just gonna add something a little bit special. Patrick Ta just came out with this. Yes, it's major. It's called Patrick Ta for the Body. It's Champagne A Dream. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna spray my fingertips. So this is all over body. It can be on the face too. So I'm gonna spray just a little bit on my fingertips and just on the base of my lid. I'm just gonna pat. I mean, how? Oh my God, it smells. Oh my God, I have to have more. Oh, that's so good. That is so good. Oh, that is gorgeous. I mean, you guys, I am so beyond obsessed with this look. You can wear it all the way up to Labor Day. It's a pop of a fuchsia lip. I think you guys are gonna love it. If you guys have any comments, make sure and list it below. I'm bringing in my girl, Alexandra DeMarquis. She is the best of the best spray tanners. She just did the Michael Kors campaign. She's incredible. She's gonna give us some tips and tricks on how to get the perfect spray tan. I love you guys.